Today, you will learn exactly what to say at the supermarket in English. Real sentences you can use right now. Let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome to Practice English Daily. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. Eric, do you go to the supermarket often?
Yes, I do, but sometimes I don't know what to say in English.
That's why we're here. Today, we're teaching you simple, useful sentences for shopping at the supermarket. You'll feel confident next time you go.
Perfect. So Jessica, what's the first thing I say when I arrive at the supermarket?
Great question. Usually, you don't need to say anything when you enter, but if a worker says hello, you can smile and say hi or hello. Very simple.
Okay, easy. But what if I can't find something? Like I'm looking for milk, but I don't see it.
Then you ask for help. You say, "Excuse me, where's the milk?"
Excuse me, where's the milk?
Exactly. You can use this sentence for anything. Excuse me, where's the bread? Excuse me, where are the eggs?
Oh, I see. So I just changed the item. Excuse me, where is the coffee?
Perfect. Now, sometimes the worker will answer, "It's in aisle 5. Aisle means the row between the shelves.
Aisle 5. Got it. What if I don't understand the aisle number?
Just say, "Can you show me, please?" They will usually take you there.
Can you show me, please? That's so helpful.
Yes. Now, let's imagine you find the milk, but you want to know the price. What do you say?
How much is this?
Exactly. How much is this? You can point at the item and ask. Or you can say, "How much does this cost?"
How much does this cost? Both are the same?
Yes, both are correct. Listen again. How much is this? Or how much does this cost?
Great, I'll use both. Now, what about when I'm ready to pay?
Good question. You go to the checkout. That's the place where you pay. The cashier will usually say, "Hi, how are you?"
And I say, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Perfect. Very polite. Then the cashier will scan your items. After that, they'll say the total. For example, that's $15.50.
Okay, and I can pay with cash or card, right?
Yes. If you want to pay with a card, the cashier might ask, "Cash or card?"
And I say, card, please.
Exactly. Or cash, please, if you're paying with money. Let's practice both. Eric, say it.
Card, please. Cash, please.
Wonderful. Now, after you pay, the cashier will often ask, "Do you need a bag?"
Oh, so I say yes, please, or no, thank you.
Exactly. Yes, please, if you need a bag. No, thank you, if you brought your own bag or don't need one.
That's easy. What if I want to buy just a few items and I'm not sure if I can use the fast checkout?
Good thinking. You can ask, "Can I use this line?" Or you can look for a sign that says Express Lane or 10 items or less.
Express lane, got it. Okay, Jessica, let's practice a full conversation. Can we do that?
Absolutely. I'll be the worker. You're the shopper. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. Excuse me, where's the rice?
It's in aisle 3 on the left side.
Thank you. Also, how much is this juice?
That's $3.25.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, that felt so natural.
You did great. Now let's practice at the checkout. I'll be the cashier. You're paying. Ready?
Yes.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Your total is $12.90. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Do you need a bag?
No, thank you.
All right, have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
Excellent work, Eric. Listeners, did you hear how natural that was? Let's repeat the most useful sentences together.
Yes, listen and repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the milk?
How much is this?
Card, please.
Do you need a bag? And you answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
These sentences are so useful. You can use them every time you shop.
Exactly. Now let's talk about one more situation. What if you want to return something? Maybe you bought the wrong item.
Oh, good question. What do I say?
You go to customer service and say, "I'd like to return this, please."
I'd like to return this, please. And do I need the receipt?
Yes, usually. The worker will ask, "Do you have the receipt?" And you say, "Yes, here it is."
Yes, here it is. What if I don't have the receipt?
You can say, "No, I lost it. Can I still return this?" They will tell you yes or no.
That's really helpful. Okay, I feel so much more confident now.
You should. Let's do a final quick recap. Eric, what do you say if you can't find something?
Excuse me, where's the milk or whatever item I need?
Perfect. And if you want to know the price,
How much is this?
great. And at the checkout, the cashier asks cash or card.
I say card please or cash please.
And if they ask, do you need a bag?
Yes please or no thank you.
Excellent. Now you have all the sentences you need to shop at the supermarket in English.
And remember everyone, practice makes perfect. Try using these sentences the next time you go shopping.
Yes, even if you feel nervous, just try. People are usually very kind and helpful.
Absolutely, and the more you practice, the easier it gets.
So, listeners, here's your homework. Go to a supermarket this week and use at least one sentence from today's episode. Just one.
That's it. One sentence. You can do it.
And if you want more episodes like this, make sure to come back tomorrow. We'll teach you another useful English conversation.
Yes, we have new episodes every day to help you practice English daily.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Happy learning.
Bye.